All right, what's up guys? This is my 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 10. All right guys, so today we have a lip and a wing for the Evo. The wing is behind me, and it's just the stock Evo wing, so it's gonna give us some good height to it. Y'all see it in a minute. And then the front lip is going to be the Voltec style front lip. These are really pretty easy installs because they're very basic and beginner mods, so let's just jump right into it. I like it. Today we are going to be installing a Starlight headliner on my 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 10. I have a quick release bumper kit for the Evo 10 because right now the packing tape that's holding on the front bumper isn't cutting it. Today we are fixing the worst part about owning an Evo 10 with this little guy, the vehicle multimedia player entertainment system.
That sounds like
what a name.
Wish.com.
Yeah. All right, guys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for, wrap it up. The roof is done. Let me get a close up of the actual material itself. Looks really freaking good. Changes up the entire, exterior look. I'm not putting the trim pieces back on quite yet because I will be, wrapping the entire car here soon. So, all right, so real quick before I get started wrapping this side of the car, let me give you kind of an update on what's going on, what's happening. So, in total, I've probably put in about 30 hours to the wrap, and it's looking real good. I have about 2/3 of the way done. I need to finish up this one side. I've got the other side done. I'm gonna give you all a little bit of a sneak peek about what it looks like. It looks really good. So I have to do this one side and then do like the door handles and the rocker panel on this side. Maybe touch up some vents, and that's pretty much it. So let me give you a quick sneak. Me doing the first panel that we just talked about and the upper lip of the door. But let me show you what we got. This is all set in stone. It may look like we have some wrinkles right here, but don't worry about that. We save the door handles for last. It just is much better that way. So next step is just going to be, slowly working our way down. I know with this film, this is KPMF's blue black iridescent. It's not the tackiest thing in the world, unlike that carbon. So if you pull, most of the time it goes farther than you want it to. So just a good little tip to save your door handle work that you already did. So yeah, let's knock out this bottom. Alright guys, we have arrived at the final panel for the second time. Yeah, last door, let's get it.
Girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done.